In this video, we will do a factory reset on the Toshiba AS3 drive. Sometimes a factory reset is just a good place to start. On the standard mode screen, press the escape button once to go to the setting mode. Use the capacitive wheel to select basic parameters. Press OK. We are looking for a parameter called TYP. The easy way to get there from here is to tap the capacitive wheel upwards 3 times. With TYP default setting selected, press OK. Choose option 3, default setting 1, and press OK. The drive initializes and returns everything to default settings. Because I'm using a single phase input to the drive, I'm getting this error, EPH1. It's hard to see with the red screen. I'll navigate to parameter 608 and disable the phase loss fault. If you are using 3-phase input power, you would not need to do this. The initialization would be complete.